Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create images or thumbnails in ChatGPT using Dall-E 3. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do when you open ChatGPT is to head over to ChatGPT 4. And then from here, you want to head over and select Dall-E 3. And then once you have done this, the next thing we're going to do is to head over and create or type in a prompt in the message box. And right now you can see I have put in create me a 3D superhero. Let's give this a try. Here you can see once ChatGPT is done generating those images, you can have a look. You can see how nice and how well done these images are. So let's say you want to head over and look at this one right here. Here you can see the prompt that was used to create the image. Photo of a 3D rendered superhero of Asian descent wearing traditional armor with modern upgrades. And you can see how well nice and how lovely this has been done. Now if you head over and check out the next image, you can see also photo of 3D rendered superhero of African descent leaping from one building to another. Well done and lovely images also at the same time. Also now from these generated images, you can head over and also edit this in a certain way. For example, I head over here. Let's copy this right now. Paste this here. And then let's change this to create me a... So right now I search in create me a Chinese 3D superhero. Let's give this a try. So right now you can see from what we searched or what we put into ChatGPT, we have been given 3 different images that are really super cool and very nice. Sometimes the images generated for you can be 3 or 4. So you can see in the previous prompt we had 4 images, but this is 3. So it happens sometimes. And now you see also the information here from ChatGPT telling you about the issues it encountered while trying to create the image, but there's no problem. Let's give this another try. Let's check out a different one. So let's see what we get from this. And now you can see it has done generating the images, and you can see how amazing, well done, and how really nice this looks right here. So also, just like I said, if you want to view more details on the prompts of each of the images, you can head over and select any of them. And right here you can see it gives you the prompt on which or how it has generated the image, and you can scroll through each and every one of the images and find out more information about each and every one of the images. Now for reference sake, the image are numbered from the left to right, from top to bottom. So for example, now this is going to be image 1, and this is going to be image 2, and this is going to be image 3, and this is going to be image 4. So assuming you want to edit or you want to change some features about images, so this is how you know how they are numbered. So let's say I want to edit image 2, which is this over here. All you're going to head over and do is head over to the chat now and put in the prompt you want to use to edit image 2. So as you can see right here, I put in I like image 2, which is this here, but make it nighttime. So let's head over and click on generate. Let's see what happens. Wow, just amazing. Look at how beautiful and really nice this looks. So you can see after using the prompt here at the top, I like image 2, but make it nighttime. Image 2 was selected, which is this, and now it has been changed from the sun or in the daytime, and now it's at night, which makes this look more nice and beautiful. So you can see how you can easily select particular images generated by ChatGPT, and you can use different prompts to change the environment or the landscape of the image you're going to use. And just at the bottom, you always have to notice it gives you a little description of what it has done, telling you what exactly happened in the editing of the image. Also right now we can head over and select the image for more information, and here you get more information. Here you can notice it tells you her outfit is a blend of Kintu, cloth pattern, and futuristic armor. Really cool. Also from the previous image, you will notice that the elements in the video and the futuristic aspect remain the same, but just the view, which is the daytime, has been changed to nighttime. So once again, to interact with the image, like I said, you want to head over and select the image. And here you can head over and copy the prompt in case you need this prompt to regenerate another picture or image. You can head over and copy this prompt over here. Also, you can head over here and download the image. If I head over and click on this right now, you can see I get a notification here that tells me the image has been downloaded for me. So right now, heading over to my downloads on my computer. Here you can see I have the image right here. If I double click on this now, fantastic. Look at it here. The image is right here for us, just on our computer. So now let's talk about text and how to add text to your images. For example, if I want to add text to this image right here, of course I can head over to Photoshop and do this. But let's say you are lazy and you don't want to go to Photoshop, you just want to do it right here. Just a simple text you want to add, and you want to use the same style and futuristic view or characteristics of the image. One good thing about ChatGPT is that you don't always have to think about the prompt yourself. Just like I said, if you head over to the image right here, you can see most of the prompts you use to generate the images are here. So you can head over and edit these prompts or copy some of them and then use them to generate the image just like you like or you want to do. Now let's head over and try to add text to our image which we have generated with ChatGPT. So to do this, just head over to the chat box and then just want to describe or add the text which you want ChatGPT to insert in your image. So you can see right here I have add text to this image that reads peace. So let's head over and generate this and let's see what we get. Here you can see this looks really beautiful, and also it also keeps the style and the background and the landscape of the image which we wanted previously. And you can see the word peace here is in front of the image, so I really like this, and I think this looks really nice. So if you head over and click on this now, you can also see a description of the prompt that ChatGPT used to generate the image. So like I said, you can always copy this and re-edit this to generate more perfect or precise image that you want from ChatGPT. So here also I can also head over now and try to edit this a little bit. Let's say I head over to the chat box now and type in. So now as you can see, I just put in the chat box. I say really nice, but put the word peace in front. So let's see what we get from this. Now the result is done. Let's head over and have a look at what we have. Wow, I think this is also very nice. So I think they both look really nice and really good. So you can see now the word is a little bit in front, although a bit different style from the previous one. So that's one problem, or do I say issue with ChatGPT. Sometimes it's not consistent and the result you get sometimes might not be exactly what you're looking for. So you usually have to do this over and over again, or try to tweak the prompt which you use to generate these images and the text which you want. So let's say for example now I want to make this love instead of peace. So let's see what we can do with this now. So now I type in the prompt that says add text to this image that reads love. So let's head over and generate this. So once this is done generating, let's head over and see what we have. Amazing. I think this looks really nice. I like this a lot. So you can see this is how you can add text to your images you generate with ChatGPT. So you can head over and tweak the prompt, because most of the times it doesn't come out the way you expect. So you need to do this once, twice, or have a particular way which you write the prompt, and then you can have the result which you are looking for. So let's say we are okay with the image and also the text which we have, which has been generated for us by ChatGPT. The next thing I'm going to show you now is how to find out the dimension of the image and how to specify a particular dimension for the image which you want. So to do this right now, you just want to head over and ask ChatGPT what resolution sizes are available. So let's head over and type this now. And now here you can see just at the bottom here, ChatGPT tells you the size for the width, the square, and also the tall version. So you can see that this means you can make the image either a square, horizontal, or vertical. So let's head over and edit the previous prompt for this now. Let's head over and tell ChatGPT to make the image horizontal. Also, one important thing you should know is that before you start generating your images and adding the text, you can always specify the size you want ChatGPT to generate these images for you. So before you start the process, you can specify the size for ChatGPT, and then ChatGPT is going to use that size to generate all the images you want. So now let's head over and have a look at what we generated. So now you can see, just like I described, here we have like a square version of the image, and now it has been changed to a horizontal version of the image, just like we described or we told ChatGPT. So I think this is really awesome and beautiful, and I like this a lot. So let's say we head over now and we want to download this image. You want to select the image. Now head over to download and click on this. And now you can see the image has been downloaded for us. So let's head over to our download folder on our computer. Here we have the image on our computer. And now if you want to view the image in full, you can head over and select this. And then you can head over and click on this now. And then you can see the full image, which looks really nice, very clear, and really awesome and beautiful. So that is one way how to use the new Dall-E 3 feature in ChatGPT to generate images and also add text to them, which I think is super cool and really nice. If you enjoyed this video or you learned something new today, please smash the like button. And if you want to watch more helpful and lovely tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hope to see you guys on the next one. Have a great and wonderful day.